Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Safari Totem Charm in a Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Safari Harvest event. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is the Safari Totem Charm, and before I show you how we can use it, I'm going to show you how you can get this item. You can get this item from here, from the Safari shop. Okay, and here you can buy the Safari Totem Charm, and this is what the Safari Totem Charm can do. Basically guys, this item can summon the weather event, so you just need to put it anywhere like this, and as you can see that now the Safari night is coming. So yeah, it's really cool. And the function is like the maple leaf charm from the fall market update. So it can summon the weather event. Okay. Okay guys, and that's how you can use the Safari Totem Charm in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Safari Harvest event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!